Beep, 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 shh. Beep, beep, shh. Hey guys, I'm Buggy and welcome to this episode of Bright Little Bugs. I don't know about you, but I love trucks. You see, they've got really big wheels, they're very shiny and yellow, and they get really muddy and dirty. And then at the end of the day, they go to the truck wash to get clean again. Hey, I think it's gonna rain today, and these trucks still have a ton of work to do, so let's watch them get dirty and then go to the truck wash. What do you think, guys? Truck wash, truck wash, truck wash. Let's go! Whoa! This is such a huge pile of dirt. I wonder how many loads it would take to move it all. Can you help us, dump truck?
Yeah, I can move this dirt.
That's one load.
I just love moving dirt.
That's two loads.
Whoa, that's a heavy load.
That's three loads. Four loads. That's five loads.
It looks like I've got hair. I've always wanted green hair. That's funny. That's super funny.
So those 6 loads of dirt and some pretty funny hair in the dump truck. All right.
Okay guys, I need some dirt here and I need it flattened out. Great job, guys!
That was some great teamwork, guys!
Oh no! It looks like the bridge is down. We'll just have to get a little wet and dirty. Come on, Bulldozer, you can do it! Here goes nothing. Come on, dump truck, don't be scared. Yeah! Yahoo! Awesome! some water for this hole.
Can it get super dirty now?
More mud.
Whee!
Yeah, mud's so much fun.
Woohoo! Splishy splashy!
Here I go. Yeah.
Hey guys, that was so much fun getting dirty.
Yeah, I love getting all muddy.
Hey, wanna go to the truck wash to get clean?
Truck wash? Let's go. We're going to the truck wash.
All right, now we're at the truck wash. First, let's rinse the truck with some water. All right, now let's spray the truck with lots of soap and bubbles. All right, awesome. Now it's time to rinse off the soap with some water. Oh, great! Now the truck is all clean and shiny. Let's get the next truck. All right, just one truck to go. Come on in, Bulldozer.
Oh, I can't see through the bubbles. That's better.
Whoa, that was so awesome. Hey, I had so much fun watching these trucks get all muddy and dirty today and then go to the truck wash to get clean. And here they are, all shiny and like new again. Well, that's the end of the video today, but remember to subscribe so you can see all our videos. Hope to see you again soon on Bright Little Bugs. Check out this other video of toy trucks building a road out of colored sand.
don't forget to subscribe.